Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a natural makeup look. I feel like I've been doing a lot of colorful ones, so I want to do a natural one because I have more colorful ones in store. So here's a little natural look to just help break it up a bit. So without further ado, let's stop talking and just jump into it. So to prep the skin today, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Glowy Primer and just give my face a nice quick spritz. Smells like coconuts. For foundation, I'm going to mix two. I'm going to go in with the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation by L'Oreal, as well as the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. And for the L'Oreal one, I'm in the shade 525. And in the LA Girl one, I'm in the shade Nutmeg. It's more of a fuller coverage look with these two mixed together, and as you can see, it is matte, but you still have that like nice glow from underneath coming through. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm really going to try to drag my concealer down more than I would normally. Nose, forehead, and chin. Just a little bit on the chin, not too much. And I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge to blend it all out. I'm going to make sure that I blend it over my eyes as well, and this is going to help to prime them. That concealer blends in so quickly. And now we're going to set the face, and to set the face, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX powder. This is their perfect setting powder. I'm going to take a small tapered brush first, just to set under my eyes and on my eyelids. And then taking that same sponge we were using earlier, I'm just going to use that to set the rest of the face. This is without a doubt my favorite setting powder. I don't know, there's just something about it. It's like the perfect undertone, and it just literally makes my skin look so smooth and flawless. For eyes, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to start by lining them. I'm going to take the Milani eyeliner and line the waterline, top and bottom. And it's okay if this isn't like perfect, because we are going to blend it out in just a little bit. So as you can see, it looks very messy, but it's okay. So next thing I'm going to do is go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow on a definer brush. I'm going to stamp that really tight to the upper lash line, just over top of that black liner. If I go a little too high, I just take my finger and make light strokes downwards just to clean it up, but I don't want to like just smudge it all over the place, or else it's going to make it really messy. And then super tight on the lower lash line, I will do the same thing. And I'll make a very light cat eye. Just like that. This is going to just help to lift the eye a little bit on the end. I'm not sure if I mentioned what palette I'm using. I'm using the Wet n Wild My Glamour Squad, but I'm only using shades that you can find in every single palette, and just a couple of browns and some blacks, so it's a look that you can do with basically anything you have lying around. And then I'm going to go in with this chocolatey brown and this lighter transition-y brown, mix those together on a very small blending brush, and then we are just going to blend everything out. Once you have it looking very, very smoky, I'm just going to clean it up a bit with a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to go underneath that wing. This will just help clean it up and make the shape look a little bit more defined. On a clean pencil brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges a bit on the lower lash line. Okay, so now that the eyes are looking like this, we're gonna move on to the brows because it's kind of hard to like see the full finished product and the brows look so undone. And for my brows, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX brow pencil and my Femme Couture brow gel. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter. And to the brow bone, I'm going to add a little bit of the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. I will highlight my cheekbones with that same highlighter as well. Over my brow, right down the bridge of my nose, at the tip of my nose, just a tad on my chin. We're really gonna add on a lot of blush today. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this peachy blush and a little bit of the pink one, just a tad. And then I'll take a little bit of the Morphe Brontor in Showmance, swirl both of those colors together, tap off the excess, and go ahead and start to bronze the cheeks. Kind of want a matte bronzer with this look. Under the chin and jawline. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with Colourpop 951. And I'm going to also fill them in with that. That lip liner is really pretty on its own, but I do want to add a gloss over top. And I'm going to use a little, I think I want to use a little bit of this Sheer Shine lip gloss. And this is from Ulta Beauty, like their brand. Okay, and then to finish off this look, because it is a very lashy look, that's why we put so much definition on all around the lashes, I'm going to go with the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. I'm just going to take that on the top and lower lashes. Let's quickly give ourselves a quick spray of setting spray. And that completes today's look, guys. This is definitely a little bit more smoky than I was anticipating, but I still think that this can be worn as a really nice natural daytime look that's a little more amped up and then it can still transition into the night really well. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up and comment so I know what you guys want to see on my channel for the future, and subscribe to see new videos every Monday and Thursday. And until next time, guys, bye!